Okay, guys, coming to the next question. Next questions in the inverse trigonometry functions. So see here, tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 sine inverse of 1 by 2, and you understand it little clear. It is 2 sine inverse of 1 by 2, and beside of it cos is given. This term is required to be written in terms of cos inverse. Then cos inverse and cos will cancel. Then this total term will become rational, particularly numerical values are going to come here. Then tan inverse of some particular numerical value can be applied. Now understand, let 2 sine inverse of half is equals to theta you make. Then sine inverse of half is equals to theta by 2, and again sending this sine inverse to right hand side. Then 1 by 2 is equals to sine theta by 2. We require to be right in terms of cos, and it is cos theta sine theta by 2, and it can be written as cos theta by 2. So you make this cos square theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus sine square theta by 2. 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. This value is 3 by 4. Then cos square theta by 2 is equals to 3 by 4. It is cos square theta by 2. We require cos theta only. Then use the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 is equals to cos square theta. The same thing can be written as 1 plus cos theta by 2 is equals to cos square theta by 2. Now cos square theta by 2 is equals to 3 by 4. We make it as 3 by 4. 1 plus cos theta by 2. So 2 and 2 times it will cancel. Then cos theta is equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. Cos theta value is 1 by 2. Now look at the question. What the question is given: tan inverse of 2 cos 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. We are already took this particular value as theta. Then tan inverse of 2 cos theta it will become. Then cos theta value, now we are getting it as 1 by 2. You put this value 1 by 2 here. Then tan inverse of 2 cos theta is nothing but 1 by 2. Then 2 and 2 gets cancels. Then tan inverse of 1 it is. 1 can be written in terms of tan. 1 can be written in terms of tan as tan inverse of tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 value will lie in between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now tan and tan inverse gets cancels. Now remaining value is equals to pi by 4. This is the value of the given question. Coming to the second question here. Second question can be taken directly. Cot of tan inverse of A plus cot inverse of A. We are already known this particular value in the properties of the inverse trigonometry functions. It can be written as pi by 2. Then this total value can be written as pi by 2. Then what is cot pi by 2? Tan pi by 2 is equals to infinity. Cot pi by 2 is equals to 0. So this particular value can be taken as 0. Coming to the next question. Tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equals to pi by 4. So for this question we can use the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equals to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So we use this formula and understand x can be taken as x minus 1 by x minus 2. So I'm writing directly this right side value. Tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x plus 2 by 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now see, tan inverse of what will come in the numerator part. This x minus 2 x plus 2 will come as the LCM. So this particular x minus 2 into x plus 2 can be cancelled from here. So let me write one more step. X minus 1 into x plus 2 x square plus x minus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 x square minus x, it will become minus 2. So keep it as minus 2, and whole thing is divided by x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2 will become x square minus 4, x square minus 4 into 1, so will become x square minus 4 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 will become x square minus 1. X square minus 1 can be written as minus x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 4. X square minus 4 both can be cancelled. Keep this plus x and minus x can gets cancels. X square plus x square to x square minus 2 minus 2. So tan inverse of 2x square minus 4 by x square and x square gets cancels, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. This value is already given as pi by 4. Now send this tan inverse to right hand side. 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equals to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. Now send this minus 3 to right hand side. Then it will become 2x square minus 4 is equals to minus 3 2x square, and minus 4 will become plus 4 plus 4 minus 3 plus 1. Now x square is equals to 1 by 2. Now send this square to right hand side. Then x is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So this is your value. We'll come to the next question. Tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. So finding of this value. Then how it cannot be written? How it can be written? First of all, 3 pi by 4 does not lie in between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This particular E is, one second, this particular value is range of sign, domain of sign. So domain of, so principal value branch of tan. Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is principal value of the branch. This 3 pi by 4 does not lie in between this pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now you convert this particular 3 pi by 4 to get which value will satisfy in between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Understand here clearly. First of all, finding out the value tan 3 pi by 4, how much value it will give? It can be written as tan pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 will be in the second quadrant. All students 10th class are all silver teacups. In the second quadrant, tan is negative minus tan 45. It is nothing but minus 1. Now tan 3 pi by 4 is equals to minus 1. This minus 1 value will be equivalent to tan minus pi by 4 as minus pi by 4 belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So Now consider tan 3 pi by 4 is equals to tan minus pi by 4. Now we are using tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4 is equals to tan inverse of tan minus pi by 4. Tan and tan inverse gets cancels, minus pi by 4 is the answer.